뉴욕 할머니 배지 할머니한테 사진을 찍어 보냈는데 그에 관한 답신입니다. Hi, Mr. Moon. I just had a class from 9 a.m. until right now, so I could not comment on your coming photos of green rush field until now. I see rice growing, but perhaps not ripe enough to be cut for hepsal. And you have a good eye to catch the leaves that are turning brown and red due to your Korean expression that autumn is the best time for reading. We'll be discussing each one's favorite book at our next meeting, which will be in the Cafe de Concert, where we had all those lectures about Korean reunification a few years ago. I can't wait to hear what your favorite book is. Hope you can come on October 21st. Thank you always for your meaningful photos.